What's the meaning of bushmeat? Bushmeat. Bushmeat.
Bushmeat. Bushmeat. Bushmeat refers to the meat of wild animals that are hunted for food, particularly in tropical regions of Africa, Asia, and South America. This type of meat is often considered a delicacy and is consumed by many indigenous people. However, the hunting and consumption of bushmeat can have negative ecological consequences, as many of the animals are rare and endangered species, and the hunting methods used can be destructive to local ecosystems. Additionally, the trade of bushmeat has been linked to the transmission of diseases such as Ebola and HIV/AIDS. Overall, while bushmeat may be a cultural tradition in some areas, its consumption and trade can have detrimental effects on both the environment and public health.